Horses have been a big part of my life for as long as I can remember now. I grew up in Sydney, Australia, or just on the outskirts of Sydney, and everyone had a couple of horses in their backyard, and luckily for me, horses became a sort of a career. I became a working student the day after I finished high school and never looked back from there. I usually try and get to the stable here at 7 o'clock in the morning, come up with a game plan for the day of going through all the training of the horses. You know, I've really found over the last couple of years the management's critical. You know, we go from chiropractors to massage to supplements in their feed and top diets, everything you can imagine to really make sure that these horses feel their very best so they can do well at the competitions. About 5 years ago I felt like I started feeling a bit old, and you know, I've been doing this for the last 30 years pretty hard, and it's a lot of wear and tear on your body. And I've got a plate in this collarbone, a plate in this collarbone, I've got a plate down this arm, I've got a rod going down this leg and 2 screws in this ankle. I just started feeling stiff and sore, and using the BEMER every day I do think makes a big difference for me. You know, it's not like you jump off the pad or off the B spot and say, oh, I feel magical. I really feel like it's an accumulative effect. So the BEMER Horse Set for me is just a wonderful product to really help rejuvenate some of the stiffness and soreness that we have in the muscles. We also have some of the units that we can put on specific areas on the horse's body, like the leg unit or the neck, to sort of help heal up parts of the horses that have been injured, stimulate a bit of blood flow and circulation to help them get back on the road. And then the top horses, we'd actually put the BEMER on it before I worked them, and I find that this almost warms their muscles up, and you get on them and they're ready to go. And I feel like this means that you don't have to spend time getting them flexible and supple before you start training them. You're off and running. You know, part of being a top trainer is feeling like you're absolutely doing everything you can to make your horse feel as good as they can. This BEMER product gives me this peace of mind that it feels as good as it can possibly feel, and you know, something inside of me says I've given this horse every chance to do this as well as he can. BEMER, better circulation, better health, better life.